ride is smooth.
Yeah, it's new tracks.
Smooth. It's smooth. It's very smooth. It's like I'm balancing quite easily.
It's awesome.
Yeah, I barely got on this train myself. Literally, doors closing on my shoulders. It's like I have to get on the train.
Smooth and quiet.
Yeah, it's the newer one. It's not the newest one. It's the newer one. And I had to program this whole thing all over again from beginning to end. Drive the train manual again, also just like everything. Here we go, first station.
Switching sides.
Switching sides.
The next station is Burquitlam.
Wow. First station. First station. First station.
Woo! Look at the linear induction motors on that. They're complete. The linear induction
After
track
this,
is completely
we go
new.
underground after this.
No. Yeah. Long time.